In this video of MeasureSquare Mobile for Android phone, we will be going over how to adjust the layout direction on Roll Good products. Once you have applied your Roll Good products to your diagram, you can edit the layout direction by clicking on the estimate icon at the bottom center. Tap on Set Horizontal Layout or tap on Set Vertical Layout. This will change the layout for all the roll goods at once. To change the layout direction of an individual room, you must tap on the room you would like to edit. Tap on the eye icon for the Room Details menu. Tap Layout Direction. In the room, tap and drag your finger in the direction you would like to lay your roll goods. You will see a black arrow showing you the direction of your roll good product is being laid out. To move a seam around, you must tap on a seam and drag it to your desired location. To view the cut sheet, tap on Estimate icon, then Cut Sheet. Use the pinch method to zoom in and have better control. Here you can view the product usage details, including waste. You can manually move around the cut sheets by tapping and dragging to the optimal location. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos like this. Happy measuring.